The purpose of this video is to discuss the process necessary to make a sectional view out of exercise 612. Now, as you can see on the screen, I have already drawn the front view and a portion of the right side view for exercise 612. The thing to keep in mind at this point is we are cutting right through the middle of this, so I'm going to draw just a real quick arrow here to show where the cutting plane is. And then I can mirror that arrow to the other side. Now, the arrows for the first several weeks and for the remainder of Drafting 151 do not have to be real technical. As long as they're there and they show where the cut is being made. So what I can see is that there is a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here. So I need to project my lines for those holes over to my sectional view. And since this object is symmetrical, I only need to do those three, and then I can mirror those to the other side. Now, in looking at this view, the only places where I'm actually cutting material is this area, this area, this area, and this area. So that's the only areas I'm going to hatch. I'm going to select my hatch option. ANSI 31 is the pattern I need to use, and I need to add pick points. So we've established here, 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 and here is my hatched areas. Once I have those defined, I can right-click and go to Preview. And that looks like I want it to look, so I can go ahead and right-click and accept that. Now I want to take my hatch and put it on the hatch layer. For clarity on this particular exercise, you're probably going to want to use center lines that are going to be projected from the center lines of the actual object, just so that it can be noted that these things are circular in nature. And once you have one, you can pretty much just copy it down from center point to center point. And then you can also include your center lines in this view. Center this up, dimension it, and this one is complete.